What's up, y'all? It's me, KSG, and I'm back with another video. So today, you guys are gonna get ready with me for my birthday that's coming up on Tuesday. Honestly, we're really just gonna do my hair, but I don't know. We'll see how I'm feeling. So right now, I'm saving up because I really want to move out. I'm really trying to make sure that I save up and that I don't waste any money, and that where I can, spend less, that I spend less. So my budget is pretty much gonna be $100. But right now I'm about to go into the hair store. I'm gonna see if they have the kind of hair that I really want. I'm gonna try and record in there, but we'll see. Yeah, I want to see if they have the hair that I really want. If they don't have it, then I'm gonna go to a different hair store. But all right, I'm about to go inside, about to go get this hair. Yo, I'm preparing myself to go into this hair store because why does this man always try to check if I have enough hair for my head? He's like, are you sure there's enough hair to fill your full head? Sir, shut up. Nobody asked you. And if I need more, I'll come back. This hair store did not have what I needed. So we're gonna go to a different one. I wanted to do braids, to change it up, to do something different. But at the same time, jumbo braids, but at the same time, I was thinking the way I usually do my hair, I don't know how I'm gonna do it with braids. But I guess we'll just experiment. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys, I just left the hair store. And I just had to, adjust my whole plan for what I wanted to do with my hair. But it's okay. I think it's still going to be cute because I think if I tried to do something that I didn't know how to do, I would have been really upset. We on a budget. We don't got time for flexibility. Okay. Here's my receipt, you guys. We got this hair. I got Passion Twist, 3X Passion Twist. I don't mind this brand that much. I just hope that it's not too loose and it doesn't start to unravel. But I think I've used this brand before and it's not bad. But anyway, I got 2 packs of these. I wanted to go back to black because I wanted to put some jewels in my hair. And I also wanted to be able to wear whatever color outfit I wanted. Okay, I got some things I probably didn't necessarily need, but I got this. It's one of those little headband things, Very convenient. I don't have one. I got gold and silver braiding yarn. Not 100% sure how to do this. I'm gonna have to... Oh, instructions on the back. Look at that. For my actual birthday, I'm thinking gold because a lot of my nose rings are gold, but I'm thinking silver because my favorite necklace is silver, Edge control, Miel. This time I got pomegranate and honey. Usually I get the regular one, but this time I got pomegranate and honey. What else? Ooh, I got some Power Greens. Constructor. Okay, Reconstructor. This is so amazing. This literally grew my hair so much. This magic, okay? What's next? We got, remember how I said I wanted to do my eyebrows? Yeah, we got a little, because I wasn't about to go all the way to a store and get it done. You feel me? So we got these. I also got 2 of these, right? I still got these 2. Yeah, I'll figure out whether or not I want to do gold or not. And then I got 2 nose rings because the ones I have, man, no bueno. Anyway, so let's tally up how much everything costs and see if I stayed under my $100 budget. Let's start off with the nose rings. $9.98. $2, $1. These, I believe, were $1.99 each. This is $12.99, $3.99, $6.99, and then both packs of hair were $19.99 each. So in total, let me just make sure everything on here is right. So, okay, my total came out to, with tax and everything, $85.76. I was way under my budget. Only $85.76. It's great. I can't wait to get ready. I'm gonna do my hair tonight, so let's go do my hair. Let's go wash my hair and vibe out, All right, bye. All right, hey y'all. I'm home now. About to take out my hair, wash it, and start it. This lighting is crazy. I was supposed to wake up mad early and start my hair, but things did not go to plan. So I'm starting it now. Let's go. Okay, the final look that took forever to happen. I'm gonna fix my eyebrows. I may or may not do my nails. I don't know. I'll show the full fit in a second. Trying to be as fast as possible because May's downstairs waiting. My shoes are in the car. Gonna sniff it. I'm gonna put on a hat, but I think it's like a cute chill fit, you know. This is for your anniversary.
This is May 2023, our 34th anniversary. For those require my sweetie together.
Total unadulterated bliss.
Two language chills.
So today's my birthday. This was a really chill and laid back birthday. I didn't want to do anything crazy because honestly I didn't want to set my expectations like really high and then like them not, like my plans not meeting those expectations. I'm just feeling very grateful, very blessed, very calm, very at peace, very proud. Like I haven't accomplished everything that I wanted to, but I feel very content with the point I'm at in life right now. I just hope that each year continues to get more and more amazing and that I just continue to grow and evolve and become the woman that I want to be and that God has made me to be. Yeah, so I hope you guys, I don't know. I mean, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was my little birthday thing. I just wanted to like show what I was doing. But please stay tuned for more videos. I am gonna do something for my birthday, like Memorial Day weekend. I'm probably gonna go to New York and like have a little day trip or something like that, but definitely stay tuned because I am very excited about putting out more content. I think I know what I want to do more and I'm just excited about life. So stay tuned. Follow me on Instagram at ksgnation and on TikTok at ksgnation. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you all have a blessed week and a blessed rest of the month because May is the best. And that's it. Bye.